talk about water jet machining, which also called water jet cutting, is a non-traditional machining process in which high-velocity jet of water is used to remove materials from the surface of the workpiece. Water jet machining can be used to cut softer materials like plastic, rubber, or wood. In order to cut harder materials like metals or granite, an abrasive material is mixed in the water. When an abrasive material is used in the water for the machining process, then it is called abrasive water jet machining. Next, let's look at the water jet machining parts and process.
Construction of water jet machining setup. It consists of following parts. Water reservoir. It stores the water required for machining process. Hydraulic pump. It is used to circulate the water from the storage tank during the machining process. The pump delivers water to the intensifier at low pressure of about 5 bars. A booster is also used, which increases the initial pressure of water to 11 bar before delivering it to the intensifier. Hydraulic intensifier. It is used to increase the pressure of water to very high pressure. It receives the water from the pump at 4 bar and increases its pressure up to 3000 to 4000 bar. Accumulator. It stores the high pressurized water temporarily. It supplies that fluid when a large amount of pressure energy is required. It eliminates pressure fluctuation conditions in the machining process. Control valve. It controls the pressure and direction of the water jet. Flow regulator or valve. The flow of the water is regulated with the help of the flow regulator. Mixing chamber or tube. It is a vacuum chamber where the mixing of abrasive particles into water takes place. Nozzle. It is used to convert the pressure energy of water into kinetic energy in water jet machining. Here nozzle converts the pressure of water jet into high velocity beam of water jet. The tip of the nozzle is made of ruby or diamond to prevent it from erosion. Drain and catcher system. After the machining, the debris and machined particles from the water are separated out with the help of the drain and catcher system. It removes the metal particle and other unwanted particles from the water and sends it back to the reservoir for further use. Working of water jet machining process. The water from the reservoir is pumped to the intensifier with the help of a pump. The intensifier increases the pressure of the water from 5 bars to 3000 to 4000 bar. This high-pressure water from the intensifier is moved to the nozzle as well as an accumulator. The accumulator stores the high-pressure water and supplies it at any instant when it is required. It is used to eliminate the fluctuation of the high-pressure requirement of machining hard material. The high-pressure water is then passed to the nozzle where the high-pressure energy of the water is converted into kinetic energy. A very high-velocity jet of water, which is about 1000 meters per second, comes out through the nozzle in the form of an arrow beam. Abrasive such as garnet or aluminium oxide is mixed with water within the nozzle. A mixing chamber is there in the nozzle where the abrasives get mixed with the high-pressure water. This high-velocity jet of water when strikes the surface of the workpiece, it removes the material from it. The water jet after machining, it gets collected by the drain and catcher system. Here the debris, metal particles from the water are removed and it is supplied to the reservoir tank. The working will be same for the water jet machining, but in water jet machining, abrasive particles are not mixed with the high-velocity jet. Only pure water jet comes out from the outlet of the nozzle. Advantages.
The advantages of this machine: number 1, it is capable of producing complex and intricate cuts in materials. Number 2, the work area in this machining process remains clean and dust-free. Number 3, it has low operating and maintenance costs because it has no moving parts.